Hello dear children. This year we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. On the occasion of this Independence Day, this week we are going to learn new craft activities. So let's start to do. We are doing greeting card making activity on the occasion of Independence Day. For this greeting card activity, we require A4 size drawing sheet, 10 cm by 10 cm square with white color, or if you have blue color you can use the blue color also. One strip of 24 cm by 8 cm with green color, two strips of 24 cm by 4 cm white strips, and two orange strips with 24 cm by 4 cm, and chisel markers, Fevicol, scale if required. To make greeting card, first we have to fold this A4 size sheet in the middle and then press it properly. This greeting card we are doing with the technique of fan fold method. From inside we are going to paste that like pop-up card. Outside part you can decorate it in your own way. First we will arrange all the papers and then we will stick it together with the help of Fevicol. See children, like this you have to arrange. First orange strip, then white strip, then green in the middle, and then again white and orange. First you have to apply the glue on the orange surface, and then white strip you will paste it. Then on white surface you have to again apply the glue and paste the green paper. Children, those who are not having orange and green paper, they can color with orange and green color on the white paper. See children, like this you have to paste all the papers. Don't forget the sequence. Orange, white and green will be in the middle, again white and orange. Then to do the fan fold, first we are going to make the parts. Four times you have to fold to get the nice fan folds. This technique will help you to get all the fan folds nice. After folding it 4 times, you have to open and you have to do the fan folds like this. Okay, then all the folds will come in equal. After that you have to join this end to that end to get the center. One side we will apply the glue and we will paste both this part together. Children, you have to remember this middle part you are not going to paste it because we are going to do one object there. You have to stick till 3/4 part. This 1/4 part we are going to paste one object which we are doing with the 10 by 10 cm square paper. So children, you have to use this paper 10 cm by 10 cm square. If you have blue color you can use the blue color also, and if you don't have you can use the white color also. First you have to hold it like a diamond. Then this corner you have to joint it there and press it. Then open it. Now left side and the right side, first from the down you have to fold it. Here this middle line is there, till there you have to do this fold. from both the sides. And from upper side also till the middle line you have to do this fold. Now see, this open sides are up, and if you will flip, here is the closed side. Now where is that middle line? From there you have to fold it. Okay, now hold it in standing position. The down part we are going to take upward, and this all both the parts will come together, and press it from down. Now this upper side point you have to press it down, and you have to press it here. Then you will get the shape of a bird. Yes, we are going to make peacock. This is the body of the peacock, and here we are going to paste it, and this bird we are going to paste it here. Now take your greeting card, open it, and both the side you have to apply the glue, and then you have to paste it here. When you will open the greeting card, see the magic of peacock with tricolor. Now the remaining portion you can decorate it with markers, and your greeting card is ready. Enjoy the greeting card activity with fan fold technique. Thank you, dear children.